Anyway, the next story is again about going far, far away, and this time it's all the way to Dysart by Davie Kerr.
All the way for Dysart. This is young written by a Davie Wilson.
Excuse me, can you get nearer the mic?
You'll have to get
sorry.
rid of the mic.
Hello, hello, hello. Testing. Can you hear? I know you said it.
You can hear you across, you're all right.
All the way for Dysart. I have to say it in a Fife accent, so I hope there's nobody here for Fife.
Aye.
Hey? Turn your back. Here we go, anyway. With apologies. We come all the way for Dysart. I heard the widow woman say, all the way for Dysart, and it's second off a day. We come all the way for Dysart, 3 mile through slush and snow, all the way for Dysart, man, to see a Free wall. We come all the way for Dysart, the strangers for the past, all the way for Dysart, just to prove that friendships last. We come all the way for Dysart to show that he still cared, all the way for Dysart in remembrance of pleasures shared. We come all the way for Dysart just to stone our Willie's grave, all the way for Dysart just to give Willie one last wave. You come all the way for Dysart, and nane Elohim would say, especially Willie's widow woman, for she married him the next day.
As long as you didn't come all the way to the east, you can bring that back to you.